Hello students, this is Subhan sir. Today we will start with question number 5, exercise 3.1. Fifth question, what is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. So for 3 side we already know a triangle is there. For 3 side we can write a triangle is a polygon of 3 side. Figure containing 6 side is hexagon. The definition hexagon will be of 6 sides, and definition of regular polygon will be a polygon of equal sides and equal angles is called as a regular polygon. So that is why in case of 4 side we have taken square, because square has all sides equal, all angles are equal. And in hexagon also all sides are equal and 6 sides are there in a hexagon. Now we will solve question number 6th. Find the angle measure x in each of the following figures. First one, a quadrilateral is given to us in which angles are given to us 50 degree, 130 degree and 120 degree, and we need to find the value of x. So first of all, as we know that the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we will write by angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle sum property of a quadrilateral by angle sum property of a quadrilateral, sum of all this angle will be equal to 360 degrees. So 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x will be equal to 360 degree. Now 50 plus 130 will become 180, and 180 plus 120 we will add, so it will become 300 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x will be equal to 360 degree minus 300 degree, that is 60 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree. Now next question. Second one. In this question we have to find the value of x. Diagram is given to us and we have to find the value of x. So in this question first of all only 2 angles are given to us, okay, and we are given that this exterior angle is 90 degree. So suppose if this angle, exterior angle is 90 degree, then another angle will also be 90 degree because of the linear pair property. So for the sake of convenience we can write this angle as y. Okay, now this angle is given as 90 degrees, so we can write here from the diagram, or either from the diagram only. So we can write 90 degree plus y will be equal to 180 degree, and here you will write linear pair property, because they are lying on a straight line, therefore their sum should be 180 degree. Okay, so linear pair property. Now y will be equal to what? 180 degree minus 90 degree. This implies that 90 degree. So the value of this y is what? 90 degree over here. Now 3 angles we are having in this quadrilateral and x we need to find. So we can apply the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So by angle sum property of a quadrilateral, sum of all this angle from the diagram. So x plus 70 plus 60 plus 90. So x plus 70 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree will be equal to 360 degree. Now x plus all this angle we will add. 60 plus 90 is 150. 150 plus 70 is 220. And it is equal to 360 degree. So x will be equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree. So 360 minus 220, so it will become 140 degree. So the value of x is 140 degree. So look into the diagram. A diagram is given to us where two angles are equal, x and x. Okay, and it is and we have to find the values of the value of x we need to find. Okay, so and exterior angles are given as 70 degree and 60 degree respectively, and one of the interior angle is 30 degree. So how we will solve this question? First of all, look, this angles 70 degree, and we will assume this angle is y and this angle is z. So 70 and y are linear pairs because they are lying on a straight line. Similarly, we can say that 60 degree and z are lying on a straight line, and therefore they are also a linear pair. So we can write 70 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Here we will write linear pair, and therefore y will be equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. So similarly, z plus 60 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Z plus 60 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Therefore z will be equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. So the value of z is 120 degree. Now after this we will apply the angle sum property. Now look in this figure how many sides are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 sides are there, therefore it is called as pentagon. So here we'll write, since we know that sum of all the angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Therefore if we add all these angles, interior angles only, then their sum should be equal to 540 degree. So what we will add? 30 degree plus x plus 120 degree plus x again and then 30. So we will write in this way: 30 degree plus 110 plus 120 degree and then x plus x. So 30 degree plus 110 plus 120 degree plus x is equal to 540 degree. So 30 plus 110 will become 140, and 140 plus 120 will become 260, and x plus x will become 2x is equal to 540 degree. Therefore 2x will be equal to 540 degree minus 260 degree. Okay, this 260 will move towards the right hand side and it will be subtracted. So it will become, okay, we will subtract 540 minus 260. So it will be 280 degree. 2x is equal to 280 degree. So x will be equal to what? 280 degree divided by 2, that is 140 degree. So the value of x is 280 divided by 2, that is 140 degree. Some more questions I will give you as a homework, but practice them well and write in your fair copy. Write each and everything in your fair copy whichever questions we have completed through the videos. Write down in your fair copies. And for regarding chapter 3, we have already made a video that introduction part and 3.1 previous questions are there in the video. So just watch it if you want to revise those concepts, and then write down these questions also. So complete your copies as soon as possible. Thank you.